Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. In today's video, we have an awesome care package from our friends over at aaaWave.com. Let's just stop gabbing and let's tear into it. Spin that intro. Welcome! It is an exciting day today because we have a giant, beautiful box from our friends over at aaaWave.com. We're going to open this thing up. We're going to see what's in here. And I was not expecting this giant of a package. I was expecting just a few items to review. So I have a feeling there's going to be some extras in here that we'll probably give away at some point because hey, that's what it's all about, man. It's about the community. And if I look hot, I apologize because, man, it is hot in here. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, see what exactly aaaWave sent us, and then I'm sure there'll be some future content to include with this. I know for sure a couple of the items I want to make videos on, so let's go ahead and stop gabbing and let's open this thing up. You know what time it is. RGB knife. Engage. That never gets old. So you're probably asking yourself, what's in the box? What's in the box? All right, Brad, let's go ahead and open this giant box up and see exactly what our friends sent us today. I was actually a little taken back when this box showed up. Again, after some correspondence back and forth, I wasn't expecting such a giant box, and it feels like it's quite full. I was only expecting a few key items that I really wanted to try out. So right off the bat, right at the top, we have the Sluice 12 GPU mining rig frame. And I've already done a couple review videos on these. I've had the white Sluice 12 GPU frame. I've had the black frame. I'm actually running, I believe, 4 of these currently. And a couple of them I bought myself, and a couple of them they have sent me. And these things are amazing. They have great airflow, and they really have great spacing and layout. Just the layout on these things make building in them so easy. And I've got another item in here that goes along with these. So that's item number 1. So okay, that's a pretty nice item. I wasn't expecting a frame. So the next item, another 12 GPU mining rig Sluice frame. So that's pretty awesome. Right off the bat, we got two 12 GPU mining rig frames. And we'll probably just go ahead and do a giveaway on one of these. So that'll be coming up soon, and we'll have to figure out the logistics on how we're giving it away and what else we're gonna give away with this guy. So next. All right, so this is specifically what I had discussed with aaaWave that I definitely wanted to try out. I want to actually try these out. I wanna see if they're worth it, if I should recommend them. And the specs on them are what's interesting. These are a 120 millimeter fan, and the specs specifically say, so the specs on them say that they do 96 CFM. These are 2500 RPM fans. And that is a really nice high-powered fan. That's a good speed. Usually I use Delta 120 millimeter P12s, and they do up to 1800 RPM, and they do about half of the CFM of these. I also use Up Here cheapos. They only do 1200 RPM, and their CFM are probably like 35, so really low airflow on those. I also have 3500 RPM fans that I order out of China that are kind of junky, but they do the job, and they create a vortex. So I'm hoping that these can do a great performance with more of a reliability than those 3500, with less noise than 3500, but an upgrade over the Deltas. So let's open one of these up real quick. Well, let's wait till the end after we get this off. We're gonna open this up, take a look at those. What else do we have in here? So I believe that's the same thing. Yep, the same. We got a bunch of these fans. 1, 2. Let's snap and get these all out. Ready? Go. All right, so there we go. We've got enough to do both of our 12 GPU frames. So there is 8 for each frame. You do 4 on each layer. So I've got 16 of these really nice big boy fans. And what I'm planning to do with these, I think I'm gonna do some side-by-side comparisons on the amount of air and the noise that these do compared to, say, the Delta or maybe the Up Here or even the 3500 RPM Chinese fans. And we'll see exactly if these are worth it. So let's already move on and see what else they have included in this box. All right, so this item, this one I'm pretty excited to try out. This is a hardware wallet. This is the SecuX V20 cryptocurrency hardware wallet. And this thing boasts that it does up to 1,000, actually it boasts that it does over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies. It has a nice little touch screen and display on it. And so we're gonna do a separate video, a setup and testing on this because, well, to be honest, I want to have a nice hardware wallet. And in this time and day with the market in the state that it's in, it's good to pull your cryptocurrencies out of the exchanges and get them into a safe location like a hardware wallet, where that if something does go under or something buckles, you still have your crypto and you don't lose it. So that's what we're gonna do with that. So what else is in this box here? And the box is kind of beat up, but this was the other item that I was definitely expecting. And what these are special 12 GPU mining rig frame brackets so that you can connect two of your frames so that you can stack them nice and easy. And these are the white ones. I have a 12 GPU white frame in my mining layer. So that's what I got, the white ones. And I don't know if they sent me a set of black ones as well. So that's interesting. We'll take a closer look at these and we'll do a setup on these and hook a couple frames together just to show you how these work, to see if they work easy, if they're painless, or if they're quite difficult. And that's what we need to know, is how well do these work? How do they function? Are they worth the cost? Because if you could stack 2 or 3 of your 12 GPU mining rig frames and get them up off the ground and in a nice location, these might be very valuable to you. So we're gonna try those out. And then what else do we have in here? And then we have a bunch of these really nice risers. These are the version 11011 Pro Edition. They look like they are 10 capacitors, so that's quite nice. And I'll pull one of these out and take a good look at them. And they're the beautiful aaaWave orange. They have the really nice LEDs that stream across the side. They run only off of 6-pin, and really that's what you should be running your risers off. If at all possible, try not to use Molex. Never use SATA on your risers. And these have the dual input for your 6-pin here on the front or here on the side. And you know what I really, really like about these? They didn't come with the really annoying SATA to 6-pin adapter or Molex to 6-pin adapter that some of these other risers include, because you shouldn't be using those in the first place. Please don't. Let's pop a picture of this up on the screen to show you what that looks like real quick. And we'll make sure to test these out because I don't like recommending something unless I've actually used it. So we'll do some testing on these as well. And that seems like that's it. But man, they included, it looks like they included enough risers to completely build out both of these 12 GPU mining rig frames. So in the future, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away a 12 GPU mining rig frame. We'll give away, separately, we'll give away some risers. Maybe we'll do 2 sets of 6 of these risers to give them away to some viewers. And then probably give away 2 sets of 4 on the fans. That way that would give, and then probably a set of the bracket connectors. So that would give enough to give away 5 different people to get something, 5 different loyal viewers, subscribers, to get something nice for free for just being a subscriber and following whatever the directions are that we come up with. So before we cut out to the outro, I know this is a brief video and it's just an unboxing showing some of these items. Let's get a close-up look at these items so that you can see exactly what we received and what we'll be giving away and what we'll be doing some reviewing on in the future. So let's go do that ready now. All right, so here we are. Here are the aaaWave 120mm 2500 RPM 95 CFM fans. They do look quite nice and they look pretty strong and durable. So we're gonna test those out later. So here is the risers. These risers are quite beautiful and I really do dig the orange PCB on these. These are the version 011 Pro Edition, 10 capacitor. They do have the really nice LEDs that stream as you're using them, and the dual 6 pins so that you can use the 6 pin on the side or the 6 pin on the front, whichever you prefer. Next, we have the version 20 SecuX cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Again, it has the nice touch screen on it, and it says that it holds over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies. Here is the Sluice 12 GPU mining rig frame. We'll put a picture of that up on the screen as well, and I do have setup videos specifically on this that we'll put up in the description as well. And here are the brackets that you can connect dual 12 GPU mining rig frames with. This is the black, nice and sleek and simple looking, and then of course the white if you prefer to have white, because they do have the white frame, and the white frame looks beautiful if you use some white fans and white accents. Man, they can look really sleek. So there you are. This was a beautiful delivery, and we're going to share the love, we're going to share the wealth, because quite honestly, I'm going to build one rig and then I'll have enough spare parts to give away for a whole nother rig, but we're going to split those out so that multiple people get some. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to do that soon. So let's go ahead and check out our wall, our sticker wall. We've added some on there. We got Hawk recently and New England Crypto. So that's beautiful. Let's go ahead and cut to our outro. Well, there you have it. We got some amazing new items from our friends over at aaaWave.com. Coming up, we're going to do some unboxing and some product reviews on some of these items. And of course, we're going to be doing some giveaways. So make sure to follow our future content for those items. If you're new to mining or you need some help, make sure to join the Misfit Mining Discord. There's always plenty of seasoned vets in there willing to help you out. If you like the video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride.